The TQM principle that I found the most interesting is the Institute training on the job. This is primarily because it seems that training is oftentimes seen as a burden that is placed on the employee rather than on the employer. Why does the burden continue to be placed on the workers to train themselves for a product that ultimately the restaurant will benefit the most from? I believe it's safe to assume that this is a contradiction that extends far beyond the realms of culinary management, as it can be seen in many other professions as well. In the culinary industry, owners must properly train the staff. Food safety sanitation is a perfect example of how to apply training on the site to improve quality and good working behaviors that will benefit directly the customer, the employer, and the employee. This principle is vital on the medical field as well. Properly training program with the right procedure will make the difference. Hygiene and safety is the main rule in any part of the medical field. Thank you.